Any bad habit of poor vision requires first of all awareness. To get rid of a habit, you first need to recognize it and understand that bad habit really prevents you from living what you really want. Bad habit parasitize on you and you need them. The first thing to do is to understand that it's bad, unnecessary habit that keeps you from reaching your goals. If a person constantly repeats that he doesn't want to see something and really he doesn't see, he don't see some kind of reality surrounding him. This is one of the ways to psychologically hide from reality. Visual impairment is one of these ways. The method is called this, in general, inattentional blindness. It's a thing known in medicine and psychology. Just a few people work with it. Doctors or psychologists do not work with this. Here you first need to understand what this habit is, to understand what you lose as a result of this habit, and you lose a lot. Because if a person sees blurry and he has normal eyes, he can see very well. But the brain gives the command you look with a bad focus so that you can see badly and blurry. If you want more in-depth, step-by-step proven course Eyesight Academy to improve your eyesight naturally, remove spectacles and get rid of myopia, astigmatism or hyperopia, the online program consists of 8 modules starting from mindset, recognizing bad habits of poor eyesight and eliminating them, and includes the best possible daily eye exercises from beginner to advanced level. Don't miss the discount, the link will be in the description below. The brain gives a command and the brain must be unlocked and set to improve vision. Clear vision brings joy. It's necessary to set the brain to clear vision. Because when a person sees clear and when a lot of saturated colors enter the brain, this gives a signal to the command center that is responsible for pleasure, and special substances are released inside that bring pleasure. Therefore, no one cancelled the joy of clear vision, and sometimes a person, when he says that he don't wanna see consciously, refuses this joy. Good vision prolongs life, improves brain function, and it improves memory. To improve vision, you need to give the brain a command to adjust the correct focus of the eyes, and any eyes will listen to the brain. To get confidence in your eyesight, you need to understand how the accommodation of the eyes work. You need to do eye exercises from my channel, for example, for myopia or astigmatism treatment, and you will succeed.